Welcome! If you want to unblock phone number into your Honor 8, first step, open phone application, and then need click on the bottom right corner, 3 dots we got. So click it and choose harassment filter. Then on the top we got settings option, click it and choose numbers blacklist, this one. And here we got our phone number, so click for it. Oh, press and hold it, select, and on the bottom we got remove option, so click it, confirm operation by clicking remove one more time, and that's it. So now we unblocked this phone number. Thank you for watching, leave thumbs ups and subscribe to our channel.